Hi and welcome to the channel. So today is the second video in our little two-part series about how we can use Robert Cialdini's 6 principles of persuasion in your marketing to get more customers and make more sales. So today I'll break down the 4th, 5th, and 6th principles: authority, liking, and scarcity. And if you want to learn about the first 3, then stick around for at the end of the video. I'll link to the video where I got through those. I'm Caroline. I've been a marketing consultant and copywriter for over a decade, and on this channel you get all the tools and strategies you need to be successful with your marketing. So let's get into the 3rd principle of persuasion: authority. This means that people are more likely to be persuaded by someone that they see as an expert on the topic. So copywriters, they use this principle by using language that implies authority. So for example, copywriters, they may use phrases like scientifically proven. Of course, only use this phrase if your product or service is actually scientifically proven. If you're selling your knowledge, for example, if you're a consultant or a teacher, then you could mention other big clients you've worked with and your credentials. For example, if you have a degree in your area of expertise or lots of experience. And if you're selling a physical product, you could highlight if it's been used or even endorsed by a well-known expert in your field. So this adds an element of authority to your marketing campaign, and it makes potential customers more likely to buy your product. Cialdini's 5th principle of persuasion is liking. So this principle is based on the idea that we're more likely to be persuaded by someone we like. And we know that we tend to like people who are similar to ourselves. This can be used in marketing by creating ad campaigns that feature people who are similar to the target audience. So for example, if you're marketing to young adults, you can use celebrities or influencers who are popular with that demographic. Another way to use the liking principle in marketing is to create a sense of affiliation with your brand. So for example, you can use slogans or images that make people feel like they are part of a group or a community. Before we get to the 6th and final principle, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this content and you want my upcoming videos. Alright, the final principle is scarcity. So the basic idea is that if something is scarce, it must be valuable. So according to Cialdini, scarcity tends to increase our perception of value. So for example, if we see a limited time offer, we may be more likely to act now because we don't want to miss out. And this principle can be applied in marketing in a number of ways. Like you can close the sale of the product at a specific time, or you can let people know that there are limited seats available. By doing this, you're encouraging your reader to make a decision and act now if they want to get their hands on your product, instead of dragging on their decision to buy into forever, which lots of customers do, right? So remember though that while the principle of scarcity is really effective, it's important to use it ethically and transparently, because otherwise you risk alienating your audience and damaging your own reputation, and you don't want that, right? And people could see right through a fake scarcity offer, and you've probably even seen this yourself, like when there's a countdown timer on a website and you visit that site again later and then the timer just starts over. This is a really big no-no. But if you legitimately have a limited number of spots or a limited number of products, or if you're closing the sale at a specific time, then let people know about it. Okay, that's it for today. Remember, if you missed out on the video with Cialdini's first 3 principles of persuasion: reciprocity, commitment and consistency, and social proof, then check out this video. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.